Hey everybody, monthly roll call here from Andrew in Salt Lake City at the warehouse. Some items that we have been working on this month. First, and pretty important, the weighing of all the items in the Salt Lake City warehouse. Right now, we have weighed all the items, which is awesome, and this will eventually help streamline the shipping process, help us get more um, products out, more shipments out per person per shipper. All the items in the Salt Lake City are currently weighed. We are waiting on the China shipments, and once we get those into Salt Lake City, we'll get those weighed, get everything updated. So that's good news. Um, Other thing that'll help streamline the process is our conveyor belt. We did get a gravity conveyor belt installed. Notice it didn't work. The items that we have around 1 pound is our average package, 1.5 pounds. It's not heavy enough for the gravity to actually push it down the roller, so we had them take that away, and we're going to get an electric conveyor belt, which is good news here because I think it'll work a lot better. It'll be cleaner. It won't take up as much space. I think overall it's a good investment, and I'm really excited to get that. Waiting to hear back when that will be installed. Been kind of a process with this lift trucks company, but I'll keep everybody updated as to that, and probably show you guys some pictures once that gets completely installed. Another thing that I'm excited about are these SP seal stickers, and this will help with communication between the warehouse and the customer care team. For us to know, especially if items have been used, because if the seal's been broken, obviously we're going to say the customer's going to get a store credit. If the steel's still intact, then at that point we can give them a full refund, and then we can also restock it. So I think it'll help with some shrinkage. So win-win. So I'm excited about that. Another thing that is good news for the warehouse is we have our cargo van. So we can now push the cutoff time for our customers to order for next day or for same day shipping. Um, Possibly, I think we're looking at 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, so 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I think will give us a huge advantage over our competitors. Which again, it's good news. But yeah, that'll allow us. The cargo van will allow us to take anything for UPS or USPS that we have left over from after when they come to pick up. So overall, really excited about that. I think that'll be helpful. And then another big thing with the warehouse is we are fully shelved. So we have all of our business to business shelving. We have end caps. We have shelving galore in the warehouse and some open space, which is good news because we've had to the last couple months be putting some stuff on the floor because we just didn't have any room on the shelf. So we are at full shelf capacity with a lot of with quite a bit of room to stock more stuff. So good news, especially with more China stuff coming in. Uh, we are going to be starting our mystery box today. Actually, I think I've been speaking with Drew, and we're going to roll that out. It's going to start today. Hopefully, it'll be a big sell for Black Friday, and yeah, excited about that. And then we are going to roll out Christmas boxes, and still working with Drew on that to get the details completed, and hopefully that'll be a big sell too. But yeah, if you guys need anything, let me know. Always available to assist with any questions, or yeah, ping me if you need anything. Thanks, guys. Hope you're having a great weekend, and we have a good holiday. Thanks.